innovation, if you ask, is the embedding of our model, which is the payment bank model, actually didn't exist till the time the regulator came out with the license. And in fact, if you go back, half of the people who got the license actually surrendered because they think that, this model without lending out will work in that space. But we and other few of our competition which survived basically went through and trying to address the segment which was not able to address earlier in a commercial way, which was the financial inclusion part of it. When we started our journey and when we went to the consumers, we did the same thing what the private banks, let's say ICICI, HDFC would have done in the 90s, to understand what the consumer want. And we realized that whatever the problems they highlighted, we were able to, solve that problem. But the biggest problem was it used to take 3 to 4 weeks to onboard a customer. We came with a journey where you can onboard the customer with just one Aadhaar document and a PAN card in 4 minutes, give the debit card on the counter with a pin, which is a green pin, in 10 minutes. So the same consumer used to travel hundreds of kilometers and, take weeks and weeks to get the transaction account opened. Suddenly, like I would say privileged banking, was able to, get the account open in 10 minutes. And because of the millions of outlets, the business correspondent which we had, it happened just in the village where he was there. So that fear of banking actually went out of that. Then we, on a regular basis, we made this mobile number as his bank account number. So what happened that he didn't have to, carry his passbook, didn't have to remember the account number of himself. And when he goes into the banking, he doesn't have to fill any paper. It became a paperless bank, so he can withdraw just by, quoting his mobile number and just putting an Aadhaar and an OTP, whichever he feels comfortable. So the entire fear of, getting into a branch, the entire fear of, banking is a headache and it's not for the financially excluded people. We were able to, develop a model in that case.